National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 823 until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Storm Prediction Center reported that conditions are favorable for the creation of thunderstorms. Remember, a severe thunderstorm may not come imminent, but you are still advised to prepare for thunderstorms. Flash flooding may also be possible. If you are in the following areas, please be advised that storms may be possible.